8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 9 nautical miles.
If I go over the time limit, I'm sorry.
15 nautical miles southeast of Lorraine Harbor, moving east at 15 knots.
I'm gonna make this shot real fast.
Source, radar. Intact.
Oh shit.
Small
Yeah,
craft could be damaged. Higher winds and suddenly higher waves.
You got a par? Yeah.
Oh, damn it!
Move to safe harbor immediately and just
Dang it! Damn it! I can't make it over. Cleveland caught me at a weird time. I cannot make it over this lip. Come on.
At least we're doing classic, not random. No!
Make it. In, you pussy.
Hey,
No!
Come on, you got this.
I'm trying. I'm legit getting ripped off just like Haley. There we go. I finished it at 9. Anyways, I gotta check my other shit.
Up to 30 miles.
That guy went off.
Tuesday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny. Highs around 80.
Hey!
Winds 15 to 20
First
miles
Marine
per
warning off of the
hour,
996.
Up to 30 miles per hour. Tuesday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then clearing. Lows in the lower 60s. West winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Wednesday, mostly sunny. Highs
Turning
in
the Cobra on.
Wednesday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then mostly cloudy with a chance of showers after midnight.
Turn you guys off.
Lows in the mid-60s.
These guys went
Chance of
off.
rain 40%. Extended forecast for north central Ohio. Thursday, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers in the morning.
Good to be back.
Partly sunny with showers, likely with a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon.
I should probably turn the other guys on just in case.
Chance of rain 60%. Thursday night,
Look at that.
partly cloudy.
Actually, I'll figure it out.
Showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms in the evening. Lows